set point. The current temperature.
Hello everyone, it is Heather and we just arrived in Orlando. We flew here from Minneapolis on a late evening flight, and because we were getting in so late, I decided we were going to try out the Hyatt Regency, which is inside the Orlando airport, which I've never tried before. It is quite expensive. It was almost $400 a night for this room, and we're only here the one night. But we're very, very tired right now. It's 1 a.m. right now, Eastern time, which means it's midnight at home, and that's way past our bedtime. So we're really tired. We also have a huge amount of luggage. We have 4 suitcases and a garment bag, 2 backpacks, purse, because we're going on a 7-night cruise and we have a lot of stuff. When we got to this room, the first thing, oh, did you figure it out? Thank God. Ben just, hold on.
Is it just that humid that you can't feel it?
Ben just figured out the climate control. Why did it get warmer?
Oh God.
Why is it going up?
What?
Did you turn on the heat?
I put it for cool.
It is on cool. Why is it going up? Oh my gosh. It's very, very hot in this room and we're just drenched in sweat. Here's all our luggage. Here's our other suitcase and our garment bag. And it's all very, very heavy. We were under the 50-pound weight limit, but they're just very heavy. And we are as far from the front desk as you can possibly be. They apparently don't let you go on the balconies. You need a key, which they did not give us. So I don't know if they had issues with people on the balconies or what. But over there where the Hyatt Regency sign is right there, that's the lobby. And we had to take the elevator up to floor 7 and walk all the way around. For your safety, the balcony door is locked. Aha, it does say that.
Why should, but I think that means like that.
No, but I think they don't want people going out there.
But I don't think that sign is referring to.
No, exactly. Okay, so anyway, we walked into this room. In addition to having to walk 7 million miles with all our luggage, as soon as we walked in the room, you might notice there's a problem. We only have one bed. Yeah, so that is a sofa bed, but Megan has decided she's just going to sleep on it
It's actually quite comfortable.
As a couch, because, and there's extra bedding up there, Meg, pillow and blanket and stuff, because sofa beds are not comfortable. I like the curtains, and I like that picture above the sofa. But anyway, so there's just one. Is this a king? Doesn't even look like a king. I guess it's a king. She said it was a king when I called the desk. I called the desk and said, hey, you put us in the wrong kind of room. And she said they are completely full. There are no other rooms to be had. So anyway, let me just show you around. So, king bed, 2 nightstands, individual reading lights on either side. See that? Which you can like bend and point. Woo! Okay. And then there's this super blinding bright light over the headboard if you want that.
I mean, in the daytime it's not that much.
Yeah. Okay. And I mean, the mattress is super thick, and when we checked it, there's a billion sheets on it.
I don't know why I just said that.
There's a humongous TV, which was
look at how tiny the logo is.
Which was on when we turned it when we came in. There's a desk here, more electric stuff.
And it's the same one that the Marriott that we were just at.
Oh. And there's a mirror. And there's a chair. It's orange. This table was over here, but we moved it. It was in front of the couch like a coffee table, but we moved it so that we could see what the deal was with the sofa bed. Over on this nightstand, there's the phone that I used to call the front desk and find out that there's no more rooms. And there's an alarm clock on there and more USBs and plugs, which were also on the other side. And this thing over here, there's a cooler fridge thing, coffee stuff, bottles of water, a safe, the extra bedding, and then here's the balcony to the central courtyard and the fountain down there that you can't go out on. Okay, and then it does feel like it's getting cooler. We were gonna hang there's these hooks that pop out, but they don't, the thing, I think it's gonna fall off the wall. It's not on there very sturdy, so we're not gonna hang anything there. And so we hung our garment bag on a hanger, and there's an ironing board in this little closet, and there's 2 drawers. Ooh, Ooh, and a light switch. Ooh. So, you know, you can light up your, not really a closet. Okay. And we're in room 7. What room are we in?
7,064.
7064. The bathroom is kind of small, and you can tell this hotel must be fairly older. The ceiling is really low. The toilet's over here on this side. I mean, it's been renovated, but just the footprint of it is pretty small. And there's, you know, decent amount of counter space with the one sink. There's a makeup mirror down there. A bath mat for in the tub, which the tub is very small. But there's a handrail and a big waterfall shower head. And whatever those products are, I can't see them. Oh, here. Pharmacopoeia products. And there's facial soap and body lotion here. I'm assuming that that's like body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. There's a nice, oh no. There's a stupid glass panel in the bathroom door. Why do hotels keep doing this? Nobody wants a glass bathroom door, people. Big full-length mirror here. So there you go. This is, just a sec.
Did you capture the pretty curtains?
Yeah, I did capture the pretty curtains. This is the, yeah, it's a smallish room. You can tell they probably, anybody know when they built this hotel? Or when they built this part of the airport with the hotel in it? And I'm guessing it probably wasn't always a Hyatt either. Anybody know? Put it in the comments if you know. I'll look it up later. But right now we gotta go to bed because we're really tired. Hi, quick little added note here. It's now 1:30 in the morning. I don't know what time I said it was before. We actually are like so dissatisfied. Megan pulled out the sofa bed. I'm sorry, sofa beds are not beds. I've said this a million times. When you can feel the springs poking into your back, that's not a bed. But she's actually just gonna sleep on it as a couch. It's not quite as long as she is tall, but she'll make do. I did call and asked to speak to the manager because this is not the room I reserved and this is not adequate for us. And he was very nice and very professional. I do have to say the staff here is terrific. It's not their fault the thing is full, but I'm sorry, it really bothers me when you make a reservation of a particular room type and they don't hold that type of room for you when you have a guaranteed reservation. I should also add that I called, was that yesterday? And yesterday or the day before, and said, our flight is getting in at midnight. I want to make sure that's not going to be a problem and that you're going to be expecting us. And she said she was going to make a note on my reservation. So there should not have been any reason they didn't have the correct room style for us with more than one bed. So I'm not happy about that. But I did call back and complain. I told him, I said, if it wasn't 1:30 in the morning, I would leave and go to a different hotel because I could get a nicer room for way less money than this. I paid almost $400 for this room. And he was very nice and he said, I completely understand. He said there are not, every room is occupied, which I find hard to believe, but okay. He gave me 25% off for my inconvenience and 6,000 Hyatt points. So that was nice. But I'd still rather be in a more comfortable room, but it's nice to get, at least I'm not paying quite as much now. So I just wanted to tell you that, and yeah, we're going to go to bed now. Hope you enjoyed this super late night room tour of our room at the Hyatt Regency in the Orlando International Airport. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Have a great day and safe travels.